how to turn off suggesting your account to your contacts on your phone on TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First step is opening TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, uh, you will find here like home videos. You will just go here on profile, then open it. After this you will just go here on this three line and click, and then you will go to settings and privacy and click again, then go to privacy and click, and then you will go to suggest your account to others, and you will find here contacts. So you will turn off this option by clicking here on this place, and like that it will work with you. And that's it. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next